Good morning everyone to the future teachers, the BSE 1B students, mathematics majors. Today, we'll be having a discussion on our subject SEM 2, which is the College and Advanced Algebra. And for today's topic, that's all about real number system. What's in a number? The mysterious world of number identity. Ano nga ba ang nasa mga number? Actually, napakarami pa rin mga misteryo na hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa nasasagot when it comes to number. As mathematics enthusiasts, it is our duty and our task to discover all those mysteries na kaakibat ng mga numbers. But before we do that, we have to first understand what a real number system is all about. The categories of numbers in the real number system. We have the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. When we were in elementary, we already have some discussions with regards to these types of numbers, these categories of numbers. So this time we'll be having a recap on all those definitions and all those understanding that you had when you were in elementary and when you were in high school. Let's start with the natural numbers. Nagsimula naman talaga ang lahat sa natural numbers. Diba? Nung nagbibilang tayo, we start with 1, 2, 3. Kaya counting numbers ang tawag natin sa mga natural numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, and so on. Yan. Tinuruan tayo magbilang. We always start with 1, 2, 3. Kaya siya natural number. So lahat yan, lahat ng 1, lahat ng numbers at the right side of the number line, at the right side of the 0 in the number line, whole numbers ay natural numbers yon. Lahat ng nasa kanan ng 0 na buo, natural numbers yun, counting numbers. While, syempre, nung nagkaroon na ng 0, nadagdagan na ng 0, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon na ng konsepto ng wala. Diba? So, nadagdag na si 0. At nung nadagdag na si 0 doon sa natural numbers, tinawag na siyang whole numbers. Ito ngayon yon. Ito yung set of whole numbers. And then, syempre, nagkaroon tayo ng konsepto ng papaano kung higit pa sa wala. Ibig sabihin, papaano kung may utang ka pa? How are you going to represent those numbers? So, ang integers, pumasok na. Nagkaroon na tayo ng negative numbers. So, those are the opposites of the natural numbers. What are those? If we have natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, then its opposites are negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and 4, including 0. Yan yung integers natin. And then we have the rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a fraction. Lahat ng pwedeng i-express as a fraction, ang tawag natin doon ay rational numbers. Examples ng rational numbers are the integers. Lahat ng integers, rational numbers yan. Ibig sabihin, whole number, natural numbers, lahat yon ay rational numbers because all those can be expressed in a fraction. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, yung integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers are all part of rational numbers. So, ibig sabihin din, kanina, si natural numbers at saka si whole numbers, part ng integers. Okay? And then, si natural numbers, part siya ng whole numbers. Alright. So, this includes the integers terminating decimals. Anong ibig sabihin ng terminating decimals? Napuputol. Like for example, 2.75. Yung 2.75 is an example of rational numbers because 2.75 can be expressed in fraction. And then repeating decimals. Repeating decimals and non-terminating. Ibig sabihin ng repeating and non-terminating, paulit-ulit siya pero hindi siya natatapos. Like for example, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and so on. So yung 3, nauulit yung decimal niya, nauulit. So that can be expressed in as a fraction. So that's an example of rational number. Here are some of the examples. 2 is a natural number and it can be expressed as 2 over 1. Then 3 and 1/4 can be expressed as 13 over 4. Negative 0.25 can be expressed as negative 25 over 100 or negative 1/4. Then 1/3 is equal to 0.3 and so on. So that's repeating and non-terminating. So that's rational numbers. Pag hindi naman pasok sa rational numbers, then that is what we call an irrational number. Numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction of integers. Meaning, irrational numbers, kabaliktaran ito ng rational numbers. Kasi kapag irrational numbers, it cannot be expressed as a fraction of integers. In decimal form, they are the numbers that go on forever without a repeating pattern. So, hindi siya nauulit. Hindi katulad kanina sa rational numbers na ang decimal niya paulit-ulit. Dito sa irrational numbers, walang nauulit. And if that happened, number na yon is an example of irrational number. So, here are some of the examples. Square root of 2. So the decimal equivalent of square root of 2 is 1.4142 and so on. Walang nauulit. And then pi is equal to 3.1415 and so on. Hindi rin nauulit. Okay? And then 45.9492, wala din yan, hindi rin siya nauulit. So that's an example of irrational numbers. So kung di nauulit yung decimal, ibig sabihin hindi mo yan pwedeng i-express as a fraction. At pag hindi mo siya na-express as a fraction, then that's an irrational number. Here is the representation of the real number system using the Venn diagram. As you can see, nasa labas si irrational number. Okay? As you can see also in this diagram, natural number is part of the whole number and this 2 is part of the integers, and all these 3 are part of the rational numbers. Only irrational numbers are outside this system. But all these are real numbers. Lahat yan, rational numbers and irrational numbers are all real numbers. Here is another representation of the real number system using the tree diagram. As you can see, rational numbers and irrational numbers are both real numbers. Rational numbers are integers terminating then repeating decimals. Then we have integers. Part of integers are whole numbers and negative numbers. Then whole numbers, we have natural numbers and zero. Alright. In this video, I want you to comment your answer to this activity. I want you to classify each number as natural, whole, integer, rational, or irrational. You write as many as apply. Ibig sabihin, like for example, in number 1, kung pasok siya sa lahat, you just write it all and you comment it in the comment section. And then we'll be having some discussions there sa comment section of this video. So that would be all for this discussion. I hope that you understand all the things that we discussed. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Keep safe, everyone.